Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Come on. Come on.
Hey, welcome back to Pieuler. Today we are going to tackle another LeetCode easy problem. The problem number is 28. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. And I'm on a mission to solve all the easy related question of the LeetCode first. So if you have not checked it out, please watch my playlist. You can find all the LeetCode easy related problem which I have been uploaded. Okay, so the question is about, we have two string needle and haystack, and we have to return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of haystack, and blah blah blah. Okay, so we are going to see example to understand it more easier. So we have haystack as sadbutsad and needle as sad. So if you see, sad has appeared twice in this haystack, so here and here, but we have to return the index of the first occurrence. So we have to first sad is appeared at 0th index, so we are returning 0 here. That makes sense. Okay, so for example number 2, we have LeetCode and there is leeto, but leeto has not appeared in LeetCode, so we are not going to consider that. So yeah, we are going to return -1, because if you see, here it is C and here it is O, so that does not appear, so we are not going to use that, so we will return -1. And for this problem I'm going to use the split function. I have already explained about the split function in one of my older video where I explained one of the LeetCode problem. So let's go. And of course you could also use loop and manually find the substring where it has appeared, but why wrestle with a snake when Python's already done it for you? So let's use the split here. So I will use one of variable that I'll name it parts. Okay, and I'm going to split haystack. I will explain it, don't worry. Okay, so I'm splitting haystack in another substring. So what split does, it it divides the string into substring based on the separator which you mentioned. So I am going to use needle variable as a separator, because based on the needle we are going to separate our substring. I will explain, don't worry, with an example. And I'm mentioning 1 here, that is the most important here, because I'm going to only split the substring of maximum of length 2, because I'm only going to split it once. Maximum split is 1. That 1 stands for maximum split equals to 1. So only 1, or I could say max split equals to 1. Okay, let me explain what I have written here. If you go here, so let's see example. Haystack is there and there is hello there world in the haystack, and needle is there. So I'm going to use the same code. So here, as you can see, parts has been splitted as hello and world. Okay, so maximum split is only 1 here, and there is no there is not present in the parts, because there has been separated from the haystack, and maximum split has been done as a 1. So if you can see in the substring, there is no there. So hello is at 0 index and world is at 1 index. Okay, so now what we could do is, since we have splitted it, so we are going to check if the length. So what we could do is, if needle is not present, like in this case leeto was not present in LeetCode, so if we split it, there is benefit. If we use a split function here, if there is needle is not present in haystack, there will be no separation, but it will return in a list, but there will be no separation. Haystack would present as it is. Okay, so if haystack is let me write a LeetCode, and if I use this code here, parts is equals to haystack, this one, that would not separate it. Basically it will become LeetCode but in a list. Okay, I think that makes sense. Okay, let's move out. And so since the length of our parts is equals to 1, so it has not been splitted, so we'll return -1 because we know it is not, needle is not present in haystack. Okay, and we have also another case where it could present. Let's see. So if the length is more than 1, right? Okay, so that comes under else part, and we'll use one code here. I will explain it with example, don't worry. I will return the length here, length of haystack 0 index value. Okay, let's run it out and see if it is working or not. No, I have made one mistake. Haystack, we are going to use parts because we are splitting it, so that's why we are going to use this parts here. Let's see if it works out or not. Okay, it has been accepted. Let's see how it works out. So I've already explained this if lets is equals to one thing, because only one part needle is not found, so I'm returning -1 here. So about the second part, return length parts is equals to 0, that I'm using at the last. As you can see, length hello for this example, hello world, as you can see there is like separated, there is like their word has been separated from it. So where there can lie, so as you can see hello their world here, at there is present at 5th index, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, but it is start from 0, so it is on the 5th index. And we can see by like using the length hello is of 5 word, so it will return 5. Okay, so 5 is the index where there has been eliminated from, so we are going to use this one, and it is also the optimized code. If you submit it, like it will be the most optimized one. Okay, as you can see it beats the 100%. So if you like the video, if you like my explanation, please like the video, comment below if you have any query or any question, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more LeetCode problem. I'm going to upload it daily LeetCode problem, so don't worry about it. Okay, so bye bye guys, hope to see you soon.